So this is Mellard from CITU or Cebu Institute of Technology University. So a mechanical engineering student, current in fifth year. So right now we're going to check or unbox the family-sized PLDT Home Wi-Fi. Tara. Prepaid Home Wi-Fi LTE Advanced SRP at 1,995 pesos comes with Smart SIM and 10 gigabytes data valid for 7 days. 2 times faster versus other prepaid Wi-Fi devices. LTE Advanced technology allows you to combine multiple signals from different cell sites, giving you blistering fast speeds. Plug and play. No installation needed, no monthly service fees. Shareable and can connect up to 10 devices. Simple, easily manage and subscribe to promos via Gigalife App. Get up to 270 gigabytes with famload double data promo until August 31, 2021. Available via Gigalife App. So karon ato ni check ang box. So pinakauna ang SIM card with the manual. So here's the modem, which is a cylinder. As we check, it still has a smart logo. A kaning gamay nga square is for the LAN cable. Okay, so the white button is the power button. Da-da. Next is the LAN cable, color yellow, which you can use or connect to your laptop, and color black for the charger. So again, there's a charger, a LAN cable, SIM card, and a modem. And also ang pingin SIM card nasa was. Once SIM activated, so pwede na tayo maka-start sa remote. So next is plug and play.
dapat 12 volt siya. So ang gagawin natin, ipa-plug natin yung car charger sa cigarette lighter. And then, plug natin yung cable doon sa car charger natin. Connection on your car. Magkaroon ng wifi sa kotse natin. So kailangan lang natin is PLDT Wifi Home Prepaid. And then,